Okay, so we're ready. Now we have the bike. We're ready. We're gonna ride. Ah! Today's beach day. Yes, finally. Andres, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I think like we're really new, isn't it? This is so big, so heavy. I think we're gonna try a small one, so we don't have an accident, right? Okay, we're ready. He's trying the bike. We have to rent a little one. Hello. Andres, It is really funny. I think Andres doesn't know how to drive, and we're trying. This is a chaos, like so bad. Andres is stuck right there. So chaotic here. Wow. Breakfast, yes. 70,000 pesos. Que son como cuántos? Como $4. $4, yes. So good.
Got it.
Go. He's doing it, yeah. Okay, here we are in Padang Beach. The people say that it's beautiful. We already saw the view from up there and it's beautiful. It looks beautiful, but here are some monkeys. So check this. And the monkeys are just right there. Baby monkey. And this is the entrance, which looks pretty cool.
Bueno, vamos.
This is the way to go to the beach. Yeah. This is somewhere cool.
One more egg? Can I take it?
We did it on the bike! Yay! Now, second one that is learning how to drive here, Andres. Cinematico. Look at the beach! We make it! Ay, look at this beach, looks so cool! People are just chilling, yay! Surfing, thank you!
Yeah, thank you.
So nice, clear water, I love it! Okay, babe, see, we're gonna be here for a little bit, just chilling, nice. There you go, look at that, so cool. The people. Padang Beach. It's so cold! Ay! Así que uno diga, ay, mariqui, ay, au, au. Gross. Everybody cold. There he goes. He's gonna take some drone shots from the surfers. Okay, so Andrew, he went to take some drone shots. I'm just chilling. Was missing the beach so much. But this one is kind of cold. I don't know. I guess in a really hot day it would be nice, but today is not like super mega hot. So I just get feeling it's so cold, but it's so nice. Padang is one, I would say one of the most like the nice beaches here. It's been so nice, so chilly. Look at that, the sun is going up. That's nice. Family time. We're exploring here. Hi. We're gonna find a secret beach. Like the beach normally there, but I don't know. ¡Wow! ¡Ay, qué olor esas piedras! Bailame con eso. Look what we find here. We found this beach. I love this kind of places that you can find something else. Look at this, it's so beautiful. Just clear water, people surfing. Walking around the rocks. Love it. That'd be so crazy. It's like, how do you say that in English? I don't know.
Leave it in the comments.
Leave in the comments how you called it. I don't know. Wow. It's so beautiful. Indonesia flag. So cool. so cool. Wow, wow, so beautiful. I love this place. This is cold, this is cold. This is cold. It's cold, but it's nice. So nice. It's cold water, but with the sun it's really, really nice. Like earlier it was like kind of cloudy. Now it's sunny. It's super nice. And it's getting high tide. It's so cute. How he eats coconut.
No sé, que es fierita.
Tiene una cara más agresiva. Ay, tan lindo. So cute. In Bali you find monkeys everywhere. They're just everywhere. Monkeys. Monkeys. Monkeys everywhere. Monkeys everywhere. Monkeys at the beach, everywhere. Hello. Okay, now we arrived to Uluwatu beach. This is like a surfing vibe here in Uluwatu. Like every beach, everybody's surfing. And then this one looks pretty nice. I'm gonna show you later. But we're gonna try the gelato first. Got these gelatos. It's so good. We go tiramisu and salted caramel. Chicken and cream.
Yeah.
And tiramisu. Check out this place that we find so cool to have lunch. Look at this, look at this. So crazy, we're just like in front of the beach. It's a nice pool. Check out this. Look at this pool, so cool. Wow. Look at this, fish and chips in front of the sea, like the ocean. Wow. The beaches here is like you have to go down on the stairs so you can find the beach. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Wait, you have to go down more so you can find the ocean and stuff. This is how you get to the beach. Yes. Hiding spots in Uluwatu. This is Sullivan Beach. You can see it right there. Y esta es la playa. Como así que esta es la más pintoresca. Se dejó venir el agua. Okay, okay. So you can tell like the views are crazy, like they're amazing. Wow. And see, this is really famous. This is a really famous cliff. Like the people come here and take pictures. And I mean, it's beautiful. But this view, so crazy. Look at the cliff. Wow. Look at that. There are really, really, really amazing views here. Okay, so we just got to Dreamland Beach. I would say this one is my favorite, like definitely. Like it's really nice, it's sand, like just soft sand, pretty nice. Look at that view, look at the ocean. Let's see. Look at this, it's so cool. It's really nice and let's go in the water, let's see. Because I would say, I don't know, the other ones are smaller or have rocks. The first one was really nice too, Padang, but this one, I don't know, I just love it. Check out this. The people is having fun on the waves. It's cold though, but it's really nice. The people is surfing, having fun. Wow, look at that wave. Oh, this is cool, this is cool. And it's clear water. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. We're gonna check the sunset here. We're gonna catch it here. Wow. I'm loving it, this beach. I love it. It's just so cool.
It's a little dark.
Got that crazy sunset, that's beautiful. That's so beautiful sunset. Wow. Wow. And there are some surfers. That was everything going around the beaches. This is so beautiful. I would say Dreamland Beach is my favorite so far. Because you have nice water, everybody's just surfing, it's cool, and check out this sunset, it's amazing! Check out that, that's so crazy beautiful! I love it! See all the people is taking pictures, enjoying! Wow, this is just so cool and nice! Okay, I see you for more adventures, bye! Okay, so that was the vlog in Uluwatu. Uluwatu is a place that you have to look for your spots, what you like. Uluwatu is about surfing, a lot of beach, surfing vibes. That's Uluwatu. And then hopping beach. Like we were jumping beach to beach to see what we like, what we enjoy. So we visited this one, Padang beach. At the beginning when I was there, I didn't like it that much because it was kind of cloudy in that moment. The water was so cold. It was a lot of rocks that hurt you a little bit. But then when we walk around and we find a spot, the little spot, it started being sunny. It was really nice. I think it's a really nice beach for beginners at surfing. It's a good spot to go and practice. I think that's a good one. And then we went to Sudungban beach. I left the names. So that one is supposed to be like really beautiful. It is the one that you go down the steps like really deep, and then it's kind of a cave, and then you see the ocean, but it was crowded, like super crowded. We actually didn't like that much that one. We didn't ended up there for a long time. We just saw it and then we went up again to the next place that it was a cliff that is beautiful. It's so beautiful. There are some cliffs that you actually can jump, but you have to be really careful. No, that one was too high, but there are some cliffs that you can actually jump. So yeah, Uluwatu is like about exploring and finding your places. Then we went to Dreamland Beach. I love it. Like I love the vibe. I will say the waves are bigger in Dreamland Beach for somebody that already know how to surf. Yes, you can take lessons there too, but I think the waves are really big. And a lot of people say that you have to be careful because there are some rocks. I didn't feel the rocks. I walked on the sand and I went to the water a little bit, but I didn't feel any rocks. But they say they can be rocks, so it can be kind of dangerous. So you have to be careful. If you are gonna surf, have to know how to do it. Dreamland is beautiful. The vibe is so good. The sand is beautiful, and the sunset is so beautiful there. So beautiful. We love that one. So yeah, Uluwatu is about exploring, about finding your places. They are really nice places with beautiful views, like the place that we had lunch. But the beaches, the thing is like the beaches are so down. You have to go down the stairs, so just be prepared for that. We didn't went down in Uluwatu beach because we wanted to see something else. And
then you had to walk downstairs. How you see it, Andrew was with his backpack, big backpack. So we preferred to go to the other two, and because we wanted to catch the sunset at Dreamland. So yeah, we didn't went down in Uluwatu beach. So if you want to check it out, if you go to Bali, if you go to Uluwatu, just go and check it out, because I didn't show you that one. My favorite so far, Dreamland beach. I love it. To drive in Uluwatu, I will say you have to be really careful, because there are a lot of hills. There are so many hills in Uluwatu, and sometimes the street can be little, so you have to be careful if you are driving in Uluwatu. It was so funny with Andrew, because he didn't know how to drive. It was his first time driving. I was kind of nervous, kind of laughing, but because I was kind of stressed, it was so funny, like so funny. We had so much fun with the bike, but yeah, no, for real, be careful. Remember, you have to drive on the left. That on mine too. Uluwatu was so fun, like for real, it was so fun. I had so much fun. I was meeting the beach a lot. So yeah, that's Uluwatu. I hope you enjoy it. I know this was kind of a vlog jumping place to place, because we didn't have that much time in Uluwatu, so we were just jumping place to place, enjoying the places, but in a faster way, you know. And then I'm grateful that we found Dreamland at the end, because we really enjoyed that one. So we were really happy at the sunset, just chilling, playing in the water. That one was our last one that day, and we really enjoyed that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I left the names of the beach in the video, so you can go and check it out. I left the name of the lunch place, because it's beautiful, and if you want to enjoy the pool, you can do it too. So it's worth it. It's worth it if you go there. See you in the next adventure. Thank you so much for being here. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done it. I love you so much. I really appreciate all your support, that you watch the videos. We're gonna be back with more and more vlogs now, editing. Love you, and I'll see you in the next adventure.